welcome to my room. So stay tuned in this video to find out how this was done and actually the rest of the room. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below, leave a comment, like, you know, do what you gotta do. So today's video is literally me attempting to redo my room. Literally, I don't know why I keep saying literally. I don't like this. Okay, so right now we've got the Tesla collage kit over there. Made the bed. What I'm thinking is right here. This is subject to change. This is subject to add more. That might change too. Let's go. Okay, so currently this is my situation. It's coming out good. This one, it's gonna go right here. Oh my gosh, it's hard to do one-handed. Oh no. It is like a puzzle. Hey, I did it. Look at that. There we go. Now about a bajillion more to go. What we have left, this is what we have of. I love it. Already seeing it through the camera, it looks amazing. Fun fact, it doesn't fit over there, but I had it all like off a little bit, but at least it's only off by like a couple inches, except for like, you know, that side over there. But it looks awesome. Restyling that shelf, those shelves are most likely coming down. Yep, going good. Okay, here's the final reveal of the wall. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Decided to make the shelf more simple, and it adds depth to the wall. You know, it's not just so 2D, but it looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, next is to tackle this wall. I don't like the way it looks right now, so let's do this. Bookshelf already looks amazing. I love it. It's like color coded there and there and there and there. It's cute. Okay, and then we have this wall. I think this over there, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Wow, it's already April. What a year. Okay, so we kind of put that there. I don't know. I don't know about that one.
Is this a joke?
And then this is this wall now. I'm confused. Okay, so this is kind of the progress we have right now. Oh, I need to move around this stool right here. But this is kind of the progress we have. It looks a little better. Still hate it. I really want a circle mirror here, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures, meaning I can't go to a store that sells a circle mirror. But I'm thinking those up here. And this wall just literally got that. Took those down and put them over there, but you know, I'm working on it. And I think that up there. Still in love with the collage wall. Okay. Peep the Chick-fil-A. Some progress has been made. We got the moons up here now. I think nothing's changed now since. Nope. Okay. Well, now for I think one of the last things. We're gonna put this up there. Okay, so hung that up. Nothing more to see than that. So like an overall, this is basically the new room. Got the cactuses right there. Got some bohemian accents. A Taylor Swift quote. Some Chanel. Little bit fierce. Then we have the moon phases. Got the door, how I've always had it. Then we have inhale, exhale. Be curious, not judgmental. Keep your heels, head, and standards high. Coco Chanel. And then we got the butterflies, and then the statement piece of them all, the Tezza collage kit. Okay, the bedding is from At Home. I love it so much. The collage kit is from Tezza, Tezza, and you can look her up on Instagram at by Tezza. All three of these, or all four of these, are from At Home. This I got from like TJ Maxx a long time ago. The lights broke off, so I just like left it, and I was like, that's cute. And I got my calendar, nightstand, lamps from IKEA, the beds from IKEA, the bears from Build-A-Bear, don't judge me, it smells like vanilla. Okay, we got my fan because we only have these lights right now. This I've literally had for like a decade, so that's up there. This is Glamour Girl. We got these lovely sheer curtains. These three right here, this one, that one, that one, are from At Home. This is from At Home. This is from Amazon, and so is that one. This is custom by someone on my Instagram, like on Instagram. So that's that. This is my bookshelf. It was, I think, my grandma's, I don't know, but I have some of my books on here. Some books that I like are like the ones like this, which are The Witch Doesn't Burn in this one. We got Adulting. That's a fun one. I have this book, which is by Lily Singh. It's the Boss book. Have a little chest of memories. We have my Milk and Honey, The Princess Saves Herself in this one. I Met Someone, Looks. These are, oh, I'm not even showing it. There's my little Stitch. Aromatherapy spray, smells amazing. Michael Kors wallet. My Instax Polaroid camera. Polaroid film. Some more books. Yes, I Still Love You. Mockingjay. Suicide Notes from Beautiful Girls. Then we have You Are a Badass. Choice, State of Grace, I Hate Everyone But You. Another box of memories. Random S. A Michael Kors purse and a Shane Dawson purse. And like a cute little thing like that. And I believe, oh, and then we have my keyboard over there. Got my ukulele up there with a cute little cat figurine from At Home. And this is from this one right here. TJ Maxx, Amazon for that. And Amazon for this as well. TV, H.H. Gregg. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thought it was entertaining. As entertaining as room decor can be. But comment down below videos you'd like to see next. Go check me out on my Instagram. Link is in my banner. It'll take you directly to my Instagram. Oh, this is my little Bluetooth remote I'm using for my little phone stand. I guess that's it. If you didn't at the beginning of the video like, comment, or subscribe, go ahead and do that now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! What even was that? Bye.